Greetings UTG. As we approach the end of another academic milestone, let's not forget the journey that brought us here. More importantly, let's focus on the future. The Gala Dinner for the class of 2023 isn't just a celebration, but a chance to save the destiny of those who will walk these halls after us.
Absolutely. This Gala Dinner is not just about food and fun. It is about fostering a culture of giving back. It is about ensuring that every UTG student thrives. So, let's come together on the 27th of April at the African Princess Hotel to show the world what UTG is made of.
Picture this, a world where financial barriers do not hinder education. This is the world we're striving for with our Gala Dinner. By buying our tickets, you are not just attending an event, you are also invested into the future leaders of this society.
Let's spread the word like wildfire. Whether you are a graduate, a philanthropist, or a member of a government agency, your presence at this Gala Dinner is crucial. Your contribution will directly impact the lives of students in need, empowering them to achieve greatness.
Our legacy is not the grades we earn or the degree we buy, but our legacy is the impact we leave on those around us. This Gala Dinner is not just an event, but a moment of hope, a moment of generosity, and a moment of solidarity.
Let's show the world what it means to be a UTG fellow. See you all at the Gala Dinner, class of 2023.
See you all at the Gala Dinner.